Samla Memanchi Momin kebesyong besar Shillong kali yok kam hima Bahrain bat shen kan zahir syakatei hima ban Trei ban kata. Kini Samla kala pendap ya training hikai kam lingba ke Emporium Skills Training Institute kebadan donbosco Youth Center Laimkra Shillong. Kami manci kelerung ban sya hikai ha training ke baar benai henrup hausngi kebakentup ya ke aviation hospitality bat cruise liner. Henry tang hapo shi benai bakala puli kala syajit ban Trei hima Bahrain ha ke luxury international hospitality. Ka Emporium Skills Training Institute donbosco Youth Center Laimkra Shillong kedap da kejingkemen yakini ke Khubor babha bat kikit bok ketwiang ya ka Memanchi Momin bakan nangkiu irat ha ki kam kijam bat ha kalawai jongka.
Hello everyone, my name is Memanchi Momin. I'm from Shillong, West Khasinews, Meghalaya. After completing my 12th, I joined Emporium Institute in Shillong, and the training I got there helped me get selected in the Kingdom of Bahrain in hospitality sector within 1 month of my course. And I'm really grateful for my teachers for helping me build my confidence, communications and customer service skill. Because of them, I could take this step. And if any one of you are interested in hospitality, aviation and cruise line, I will truly recommend you to join Emporium. It changed my path and it can change yours. Thank you.